Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of a binary trading website and AI trading website. So basically you will get these two features like binary trading plus AI bot trading feature in the same site. Viewers, in this video I'm gonna give you the complete overview of this website. I'm gonna guide you complete through this website, how you can completely use this website and how you can completely manage this website from admin panel. This website is completely manageable from admin panel. Viewers, if you want us to build this amazing binary trading website at a very reasonable price, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description. You can contact us and you can buy this complete website from us, or if you want to buy only script, you can buy the script as well, so you can use it on multiple domains. So viewers, now let's start this video. First of all, you can look at its amazing login page. So this is the login page. First of all, let me show you. This is installed on my subdomain demo2.scriptsmasher.com. You can just view it over here. So I have installed it and now I'm giving you the demo on my own domain. And viewers, let me tell you one more thing. You can use it on normal shared hosting or cPanel. So it is completely usable on that normal hosting. So here we have to enter our username and password in order to log in. Now if you don't have an account, user must have to go to sign up, and by filling these details, user must have to create the account. So here you have to fill your full name, username, password, and here you just have to click on sign up and you can easily create account on this website. Now we already have an account, so I'll go to login and here I will enter my username and here I'll enter my password. So after entering these details, when I click on sign in, it will log me into my amazing user panel of this website. So here you can see that we have logged into our user panel successfully. First of all, here you will get the logo and our name option. So currently I have not updated the logo. You can update your own company or brand logo over here from admin panel. Here you can see different banners. You can put your own company banners over here from admin panel. Here you will get the option of deposit, withdraw, app download. So user can deposit money, withdraw its money, or download the app of the website. So let me guide one by one. So here is a deposit feature. So user can deposit from here. So when user click on it, you will see different deposit methods. So basically you can insert deposit method from the admin panel. So from admin panel, you can create any of the deposit method like USDT, INR, NPKR, or any phone pay or EasyPaisa JazzCash. You can create that method from admin panel. So it's a very simple to create a deposit method. After creating the deposit method, here it will be shown over here. So you can, when you click on it, suppose here I am on USDT TRC20. So you can see the QR code, you can see the address over here. From here user can copy the address. Here you have to put your deposit amount. For example, I want to deposit $100. Enter your TRX ID and here click on submit and your request of deposit will be submitted. So you can see the request is currently pending. So when admin will approve it, the deposit will be approved. So this is how user can deposit money on the website very easily. Here is a withdrawal option. So here same like deposit, you can just withdraw your money from the site. So you can use any of the payment method to withdraw your money. Just click on withdraw, fill these details, click on withdraw, and you can easily withdraw your money from the website. So here is the app download option. User can download the app of the website. So here you can see when you click on it, so it will show you the app, and here you can just put your images app, and when user will click on install, it will download the app. So currently I have not inserted the app, so we'll make the app and we'll attach it with your site if you buy it from us. And here you can see there is a AI trading option, AI bot trading, where user can just put amount of money and earn a certain percentage on that. So here this is a bot trading option. So user can just click on start trading, and user must need a balance over here in bot trading account. So here you can see our balance, and when I click on start trading, user can just click on select the profit amount like 1 hour 2%, 3 hour 5%, 6 hour, and different profits amount are here. And you can just select it, select the coin on which you want to trade, insert the amount. So I want to trade on $100. Click on open trade. So it is asking us to at least 8 tokens we have to select. So let's just select that tokens. So we'll select some of these tokens, and I think so 8 tokens are completed. Just click on open trade and it will open our trade. So viewers, here you can see that our trade has executed successfully. Now it is also showing you a time. So it was for the 1 hour. So you can see the time, and this is your trade. After the time, the profit will be added to your account. So this is how you can trade your money. You can see your bot balance and your main balance over here. So this was the AI trading. Here you can refer your friends and earn money through referral as well. So you can see all the referral details over here. You can see it. Here is your referral link, your referral ID. You can copy these links and invite different people to earn the referral commission. Same, here is the NFT investment as well. You can invest in the NFTs as well. Here you can daily check in amount, some amount admin can give bonus to different users. And viewers, here is a market option. So here user can see all the gainers, losers, etc. markets over here. You can create as many as coins as well from admin panel. So this is the binary trading option viewer. So this is the binary trading page, and it's a very amazing binary trading page. From here user can place his trades. So user can also track the live trading as well. So suppose if I want to place a live trade, so here you can select the time. So here is 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, and different times are available. You can choose any of the time you want. And now if you want to place or trade on buy or sell, so here suppose I want to trade place trade on sell. So here when you click on sell, it will place your trade, and you can live track this request of trading. So trading request. So here let me show you, let me just zoom it out. Here you can see the live timer, and after this time your profit or loss will be added. So it will depends whether you will win or lose. It will show you completely over here. So you can live track your trading as well here. And similarly you can place your trade amount. You can increase, decrease from here, and you can see different timestamps, and these are the graphs. You can do your analysis as well from here. And here is the record section. So you can see all your trading record over here. Here it will show you all running, and when the trade will be completed, it will be appeared over here. So this is how you can place a trade. So this is the wallet option. So here you can see all your wallet balance in this section, and you can see your pay ID. You can transfer your funds from one account to another. Here is the viewers deposit option. So same as I told you about deposit, here is the withdrawal. So those options are also given here. Here user can transfer its money from one account to another using the pay ID. And here is a leaders board option. So leaders will be appeared over here on leaders board. Here you can do your profile setting. You can change your name, you can change your ID. Here is a password. You can change your password. You can do KYC verification. Here you can change your withdrawal pin, and you can contact the help and support, or you can go to the Telegram channel, the link they have provided. And here is a logout option. So viewers, this was all about the user panel of this website. Now I will log out from here, and now we will go to the admin panel of this website, and we will see how we can completely manage this website from the admin panel. So in order to go to admin panel, here you can see we will just type /admin, and this is our admin login page. Now viewers, here we have to enter our username and password in order to log in. So you have to enter your username. So first of all, I'll enter my username, and here I'll enter my password. And when I click on login, it will log me into my user panel. So it is asking, now when I click on login, it will log me into the admin panel. So viewers, this is the amazing admin dashboard. First of all, admin can see the total users on the website, total transactions on the website, total deposits, pending deposits, withdrawal, etc. Everything will be shown you over here, and you can completely manage this website from this amazing admin panel. You don't need any coding knowledge to control this. So if you buy from us, we will also provide you complete support with it. So you don't need to worry about anything. You can just contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description of this video, and WhatsApp number is also showing on the screen. You can contact us, and we will provide you complete support. Here, if user want to change the banners of the website, as I told you, these banners are changeable. You can delete them, and you can just click on add new, and you can add your own banner from here. So click on add new, enter the link or upload the image, and you can easily upload your own banners, and you can delete these existing banners. Here are the manage users. So you can manage all the users on the website. Here, suppose if I want to manage this user, I can add balance to this user account, subtract balance from this user account, activate, deactivate them, change their passwords, etc. as well. So we can completely manage these details of users. Here we can verify the KYC of users. Here is the referral settings. So I can manage the multiple levels of referral. Suppose here is on deposit referral commission, so you can manage it up to multiple levels. You can add the percentage. And here is a trade referral. So basically it is for bot AI trading. You can give referral bonus on bot trading as well. So you can manage these things up from here, and you can delete the levels as well. You can just manage 1, 2, 3, it depends on you. Here's manage coins. So here you can add etc. coins. If you want to add a new coin to website, here just click on add new, and you can easily add a new coins to this website. So if you want to add any other coin like BTC, Ethereum, SOL, or if you want to add any coin, you can just add that, enter the image, and here you can add the profit or loss for that coin. Suppose if I place trade of $100, this is a percentage I win or I lose. So you can add that over here. And here is manage NFT. So you can manage the NFTs from here, or you can add a new NFT from here. So it will completely depends on you. You can add new NFT and their percentage, investment limits, etc. from here. Here is a trade settings option. So you can do the trading settings for bot trading, like you can set minimum, maximum trades, daily trade limit, and profit amount you can set up from here, minimum, max trade. This is for bot trading basically, and that's for binary trading, the upper one is. And here you can set the time for bot trading and their percentages, like 1 hour, 3 hour, and insert their percentages. Similarly, you can add new percentages as well. So by just click on add time, and you can easily add a new thing. Here are the deposit methods. Currently there are 3 deposit methods. You can edit them, delete them, whatever you want to do, you can do them. Suppose I want to edit it, I can edit it, change the logo, change the name, currency, symbol, payment address, etc. Minimum, maximum limit, you can set everything from here, and you can deactivate it as well from here. Similarly, if you want to add a new deposit payment method gateway, just click on this and you can create your own gateway from here. Here are the withdrawal options. So you can set the withdrawal gateway same like deposit. Just click on add new, and you can add the gateway for the withdrawal of money. Here you can see all the deposit logs on your site. You can just see them. You can accept deposit request of user, or you can reject it. So from here you can accept or reject deposit of users. So here you can see this is how you can accept or reject deposits. Same is for withdrawal. From here, when user will request a deposit withdrawal, it will come here. You can approve it or reject it from here. Same for NFT. Here you can see all the transactions. So all website transactions will be shown you over here in this section, and you can see all the transactions on the website. Here you can see all the transfer logs of the website. So all the transfer logs will come here, and you can just see them. And here is the site setting. From here you can change the name of website, you can change the currency of website, you can change the currency symbol, sign up bonus, you can set it up from here, transfer limit you can set it up from here, and image baby API you can set from here. So all these things you can manage the site related things from here. Here is a check-in setting, like bonus setting, you can set that up from here. Daily check-in. Here is app settings, like you can upload the app image, app link, app images, etc. from here, and you can just set up your app from here. Here is a notice setup, so you can set up the notice guideline setup from here. So from here you can set up the notice line, and these are the contact details like setup. So like you can add your Telegram channel and help and support. So you can edit these Telegram group links and WhatsApp group links from here. So viewers, in this video I guided you about each and everything related to this website. Now if you want to purchase this website, or if you want us to build this complete website for you, you can contact us and we will build what you want. Viewers, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel as well. Thanks for watching.